In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Fandom username. If you'd like to update the username associated with your Fandom account, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and easy-to-follow way. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account before you begin, so that any changes you make will apply to the right profile. To get started, open Fandom and access your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile page. This allows you to review your current account information and confirm the username that is currently displayed on your profile. Taking a moment to check your existing username can help ensure that you're making changes to the correct account. After you've opened your profile, you'll need to use a separate browser tab. Open a new tab and search for the phrase, "I want to change my username." This will help you locate the official username change form. Once you find the form, open it and proceed with the username update process. Inside the form, you'll be able to enter the new username you'd like to use. Carefully type your preferred username and double-check it before saving your changes. It's always a good idea to review the spelling and formatting to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it. Once you're satisfied with the new username, save the changes through the form. After completing that step, return to your Fandom account and open your profile once again. Take a look at your username to verify that the update has been applied successfully. If the change appears correctly, then your new username is now active on your account. Keep in mind that some changes may take a short time to fully appear across all areas of the platform, so don't be concerned if you don't immediately see updates everywhere. Checking your profile is the quickest way to confirm whether the change has been processed. And that's all there is to it. Changing your Fandom username is a straightforward process once you know where to find the appropriate form and how to submit your request. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so